Garde electric knife sharpeners are designed to offer precision sharpening for a variety of knife styles. Place the machine on a sturdy surface and turn the power switch to the on position. For the coarse stage, place the end of the knife in the first slot of the section labeled coarse. Slowly pull the blade down and through with mild pressure while remaining between the knife slot. This process should take 5 seconds for a standard 8-inch blade. Continue this pull process 2 to 3 times, making sure to alternate between the first and second knife slot between pulls. To safely check for rough edges known as a burr, place your finger on the flat side of the blade near the spine. Slowly glide your finger from the spine of the blade to the sharp edge of the blade and feel for any rough edges. If you feel a burr present, you are applying the correct pressure and speed to the pulls and can continue to the next step. Next up is the fine sharpening honing stage. Place the end of the knife in the first slot of the second stage labeled fine. Repeat the pull process 2 to 3 times, making sure to alternate slots in between pulls. Finally, proceed with polishing. Place the end of the knife into the first slot of the stage labeled polish and repeat the pull process, making sure to alternate slots 3 or 4 times or until you no longer feel a burr present. To utilize the 2-stage electric sharpener, follow the directions for fine sharpening, honing, and polishing. Go ahead and test the sharpness of your knife by slicing into the product of your choice. If the knife is not sharpened to your satisfaction, repeat the polishing step. Please note that when sharpening serrated knives, only the polish step should be used. By following these steps, Garde electric sharpeners will have your knives ready to tackle the most difficult slicing and cutting projects.